SBMS, Smart Battery Monitoring System, is a good idea. In future, this particular bike will work with the reason behind, first of all, pollution free. Second, it doesn't have much cost on a particular person who is owner of this bike for SBMS. The SBMS also very helpful when you're talking about the cost also in terms of what we call it the fuel efficiency. Plus it also works in an environment where there is no pollution free, and even one can charge with the help of electricity. Even the SBMS would be a very good option for students in future, or the commuters those who are moving in the city from one place to another place. In short span of time they can reach to the destination because they have a very good speed compared to the bikes in the market. Thank you.
Really awesome and really cheap.
It is a wonderful bike for people who can't afford four-wheelers, and I think the speed does match with the performance of Activa, which has a very good speed and RPM. I think more innovation should be put into this bike to make it more user-friendly.
This product is very nice and it targets the user side.
The product is, as such, it's eco-friendly, so it's very useful. Secondly, it gives you an idea about how much life on battery has been left out, so you can plan out your journey. And secondly, the cost is not too that, so it can be affordable to everyone.
MS is an amazing product. It is smart battery monitoring system. It is cheaper than other products like vehicles like Activa, which comes at 45,000 per piece, but this product comes at 26,990. It also has an
ઇકો-ફ્રેન્ડલી છે, સસ્તું અને સારું છે.
You must try it.
Petrol is becoming scarce resource. We can use SBMS as it uses electricity and is also eco-friendly.